Hello guys! How are you today? So as you can see, I have a new toy. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox this. No, actually I opened it last night because I'm so excited. But I stopped in the middle of it. I haven't seen the unit yet. Let's go. So, we got certificate of guarantee and the booklet. I think it's a quick reference on how to use it. Let's put it here. Some power cords, some bobbins, and the bar for the machine, for the unit. Let's put it back. And then this. And then the big book. Yeah. The smaller one and the smallest. So I got this bit. So yeah, I think this will be the embroidery unit. And this is the main one. You can see they look nice. Yeah, let's put it on the table. So this is our power cord. So this is our power cord. We just plug it in and connect it to this power supply. Actually it's on, so we have to turn it off. You know what I want to do whenever I buy new gadget or machine? Look. So satisfying. And I'm not sure if I want to remove this one because yeah, let's leave it down. Let's leave it there. So here is my machine. I already plug it in. So oh, sorry. I didn't turn it on. So yay! Ooh. Such a nice machine. Oh, my only concern is, oh, okay. So my only concern is this. You can see those wires. Can you see that? I don't know how to show you, but those ones here, you can see the bits for that. So yeah, I hope it won't come off or something while I'm sewing or embroidering. Oh, and when I open this, we have joystick. Oh, there's lots of choices. You can I like this one. But yeah, so we got joystick here. Some few bits, some, sorry, I'm holding my phone for that. This one is attached to this, so there's some few extra bobbins, and this is the embroidery foot. Yeah, same as this one, but I'm not sure why this extra here. Maybe just in case. And some screw for adjusting stuff. Oh, that's for the bits. And more. So normally you put it for there, so it looks nice, and then this bit is like that. So it's like for small thread, and this bit is for to lock it in, just like that, to hold it in place. And this, so, and this is like for removing. Every use, you have to clean your machine. And I think this one is oil, so I'm gonna check later which part should I oil because this machine is highly maintenance. You have to oil it and clean it after you use. So yeah, I didn't see this bit. So guys, I bought this set for placement last weekend. So yeah, it's kind of plain. I'm thinking of giving it to someone as a gift. So now that I have new embroidery, I came up with the idea of why not make my own gift. So I think I'm just gonna put initial in the middle to make it look nicer, but I'm worried about the back, so you will see. I think the back part of the embroidery will show, but yeah, let's try it. So we will be using the large hoop. Correct. So it should be like this, and then I believe the center is here. And then, so I'm quite happy with the hoop. It's easy to put. So you just plug it like that. I think it's too thick, so I'm just gonna loosen up the screw, because if I close it, it should be like this. So now I'm gonna put this. Push it in. You heard the click, so it means it's good. So now that our hoop is in, I'm just gonna thread my machine.